do this. Alright, this is the Integra Accolade 37TS Super C. There's so much space in here. So, because it's a Super C, you've got this huge bed over the cab. And this is a Freightliner cab, so hence the Super C. Let's see. Oh, the mattress feels pretty nice too. But it's big. You could fit 2 adults up there, no problem.
Plus you have a skylight.
Oh yeah, very nice skylight.
Sit up there and watch the road pass you by.
Yeah, you got storage compartments here, storage compartments here. So this is a very functional bed. In a lot of C's, you don't have as much space in the Super C you really do up here. Coming into the living area, you've got seating on both sides. You have theater seating on one side and a sofa on the other. Big TV. Alright, coming into the more kitchen area, you have a dinette that will seat 4. I like the light fixture above the dinette, because typically you just have cabinets above a dinette, so that light fixture is a nice touch. And then into the kitchen, I like the stair step kitchen. This is interesting because this part is on a slide, so this is going to come in over your sink area. Double sink, Corian countertops, gas.
Nice full
Nice,
size,
nice.
Nice full size residential stove.
That's very heavy. And then you've got your convection microwave. That's a big convection microwave too, by the way. Nice heavy cabinets. You do have a entertainment center here for the TV. It comes with a Blu-ray player in there. And for your cabinets, you've got good solid locking cabinets. I like that. Over here, big residential fridge. Massive fridge.
Massive double-sided fridge.
Placement's a little strange,
It's high up.
but, and then on the other side of the fridge is a pantry. Come on down the hall and we have a split bath. On one side you have the sink and mirror, and then the door in here is the shower and toilet area. All right, coming into the bedroom area, there is a pocket door that closes this off. You've got a nice king size bed that has the rounded edges, so that helps for space getting in and out of here. Lots and lots of storage, so you've got a closet on either side of the TV with 3 big drawers in the middle and then more drawer storage underneath. And then over here, this can either be another closet or you have washer dryer hookups in here. All right, this is the Nexus Ghost. Love the name. 37DS Super C.
We love the Super Cs. We love the way they look.
Fascinated by the Super Cs.
Yeah.
Tons of room in here. I mean, look, you can do the spin test in an RV.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Huge.
see, with the Super C, you get this massive over cab here.
But it looks good on a Super C.
It does.
The cab over looks good on a Super C as opposed to the Class C.
Right, and that's why I think we like the Super Cs, because it fits.
Yeah.
You know, I think that the big cab on a regular C looks too big, but on a Super C, it looks perfect. But this one's really cool. It's a little bit with the darker color wood, so obviously we like the lighter cabinets.
It's not real dark.
But they've toned it down
Yeah.
and having light colors here, lighter on the floor, and I like the layout of this. So you've got a nice dinette,
Big dinette.
jackknife sofa over here, tons of storage, just unbelievable amounts of storage. And I like that it says Nexus. That's pretty cool. All right, in the kitchen. Okay, first off,
It's
look
high
how
ceilings.
tall this place,
Yeah,
this thing
they're
is.
they're higher than normal for sure. I don't know how, but it's like at least, what is that, 10 feet?
I don't know.
That ain't 10 feet, but it's higher than 8.
You're gonna need a step stool in this thing. I can barely touch the top cabinet. More or less, I'm not gonna be able to reach the back of that thing.
Yeah, it's really tall, which makes it feel very roomy.
It does. It really does. So we've got the double sink. Let's see if I can't get the sink open. Anyway, it's a double sink. Really cool faucet. Over here you've got the 3-burner gas top grill. Oh! It's not a stove. That's cool. It looks like a stove, but it's not. You've got your convection microwave. But I like the look of that. So it's just a towel bar here instead of a handle. So you have storage below. More storage up here. This is a place for an entertainment center. You can hook up a Blu-ray player or whatever you want in here. It's your main TV, and it swivels. That's cool. Over a fireplace. And then this is where I find the Super Cs are kind of weird. This little hallway and having the fridge here. Several that we've walked in, this is how they are. So your fridge is here. And it's massive. It's just a weird spot for it to me. See, I can't stand here and get...
Yeah, not a big
You
fan
have to
of
come
that.
over here.
Not a big fan of that.
Yeah. It's a strange placement of the refrigerator, but it is a big fridge. Bathroom.
Bathroom. Nice underlit countertops. Very nice bathroom again with the high ceilings.
And this is a half bath, so that
This is
means
a half
there's
bath.
a 1.5
Lots of
baths.
space. Really cool bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
I like the ambience in the bathroom. Nothing like ambience in the bathroom, right?
Right. Okay, and then you're coming into the main space. Again, pocket door for the bedroom. Come back here, you've got a big king bed. Pretty headboard. There's no bedding on this one for some reason, which I don't know why, because usually they have bedding on them. But king bed,
I've seen a couple like that lately.
massive storage.
Yeah, entertainment center.
TV up here, closets on both sides. Again, you can't reach these closet bars. So see,
Not
like
if you're short like us, anyway.
I'm 5'4". I could not reach my clothes without a step stool.
Yeah, I don't think I could either.
This coach is for
I'm
tall
5'6".
people.
I like the window right here. That's pretty cool.
It is.
Neat place for a window.
Yep.
So you can sit out, lay in bed, and look out the window at night. And you got windows on both sides of your bed as well.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, so it's very nice. I like that setup. All right, in the bathroom.
Okay, so you've got a rear bath, which I like rear baths because of the way that they're spread out. You don't have the smaller showers. You've got a nice size shower, plus the toilet, plus the vanity, plus a washer dryer. So it's very, very functional. But this coach is just for tall people. All right, so we were talking about the height on the inside of that one. Look at the height of this Super C compared to the one we were just in. You can tell it's about that much difference.
This is taller than this one. I don't know why. It is. May not be able to tell in video, but it sure is.
This is a Newmar Supreme Air Super C, but it doesn't feel like a Super C on the inside. Look at this. First off, love the light colors.
Yes.
That's awesome. But one thing that you notice, there's no bunk up there.
No bunk, but you have a
Typically-
huge, beautiful skylight. Kind of reminds me of a huge version of our little rig.
Exactly. So you've got all this storage up here instead of having that bed, because not everybody needs or wants the bed above the cab, so that's perfect.
Yes.
But check out this living space. So on this side here, you've got a jackknife sofa with a TV above. And then on the flip side, you've got your theater seating for the TV. You've got your dinette for two. Okay, and then the kitchen area, you've got a convection microwave, induction stovetop,
Very nice.
very nice, Corian countertops, the ever
dishwasher.
popular dishwasher that I can't open, lots of counter space, and a massive, massive sink.
Look how deep that thing is. I could take a bath in that.
Yep. Got your big residential fridge, and I love the full size mirror too.
Very nice. Hello.
This is a different kind of bathroom. So you come through here and it's split into pieces. You've got your double sink vanity on this side, kind of in this little hallway area. Lots of storage on either side. Then you come through and there's a true water closet. So you have to push this button, open the door, and the potty's in its own little cubby hole. Then you've got your shower. Very nice shower, by the way.